Hi guys, quick but awesome update for all the men in Europe. You probably heard that NP Labs unfortunately stopped their activities, but I've got great news. I personally negotiated with a high-quality German compounding pharmacy called Receptura. They are now offering 20% testosterone cream for men, plus thyroid preparations with both T4 and T3, pregnenolone, DHEA, low-dose naltrexone, full female HRT, and much more. Top-tier compounded stuff. If you want to order, use the link in the description and pinned comment. You'll get free shipping on your first order with my link. And if you're finding value on this channel, consider becoming a member for less than a coffee per month. As a member, you get member-only videos, early access and premieres, and that special badge next to your name so your questions pop up first and I can help you faster. Link is in the description too. Thanks for watching, drop a like if you're in Europe and this helps. And I'll see you in the next one.